So to make these great color wheels here that have transparent colors, there's a few tricks to it. So this is the more advanced video. All right, so we've got some basic shapes that we're going to play with. Let's go with this teardrop shape. I'm going to place that on my page, get rid of the outline, and I'm going to color it in. This time I'm going to use a different color wheel, one with magenta, yellow, and cyan as the main colors. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste this. Remember, it is Control C and Control V for pasting, for copying and pasting. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm using this handle here to rotate my shape to get it exactly how I want to do it. So I'm going to click on it, grab the handle, and I can rotate it and move it around till I get it about right where I want it. I want to pull it out here a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to change these colors with the paint can, but if I do this, I'm going to use these digital, this is a different color wheel, cyan, magenta, and yellow. These will also make those colors of the rainbow, but the problem is that when I overlap them, they are not transparent like I have here. So to make them transparent, you actually click on the paint bucket, custom, and then you go to this bar here, slide this down, and it will make it transparent. I'm going to do that one with yellow. Pull that down a little bit. And with cyan, make that transparent. Okay. Now I'm going to click and drag and select all of them. Copy, Control C and Control V for paste. I'm going to rotate that around. And how simple is that? Now I've just made 3 more of my shapes with just a couple clicks. Now I need to change the color. I'm going to click here, custom. Okay, and I can click on my orange color. It's already transparent. Move that to where I like it. And yellow. So cyan and yellow together make orange. So orange will go there. Cyan and yellow together, you can see here it's going to make green. So I can just change this to green. Or another way of doing it, I'll show you in a minute, is a little bit more advanced. I'm going to make this one a violet color, because if I mix magenta and cyan together, I'm going to get a violet color. So there I have that. I am going to copy and paste with Control C and Control V, like we learned on the last video. And then I can change the shapes by right-clicking, change shape, go to shapes. This time I'll choose the smiley faces. Gotta love that. Right-click, change shape, go to shapes. Let's change it to hearts. Okay. I can also, rotate these individually to get them to face the way I want, if I want to change that. Okay. Now, an advanced way of doing this, let's just make a copy of this here. So if I mix magenta and yellow together, it was going to make orange. So let's make this one a yellow color. But let's copy it and paste it. So now I have 2, and I'm going to put the one that's on top, make it magenta. Let's see if we kind of can get an orange color when we make those transparent. Oops, let's go back down to custom. Let's make that really transparent. Okay, so now I have more of an orange color. So you can change the colors by layering one color and the color next to it and make a third color, a tertiary color, or a secondary color in this case. Here are the primary colors. If I link magenta and yellow together, magenta and yellow, it will make an orange. So you can do it that way as well.